Hello YouTube! Today I show you new tricks with the small blade. In the past, the small blade was used for correct tipping mistakes with the writing machine.
What?
You can use the small blade as center for a drawing compass. For that, open the corkscrew, take out the pencil, drill it in, so, then open the small blade, and now you have a drawing compass. So. For adjust the diameter of the drawing compass, you need such a little wedge. Through moving this little wedge, you can adjust the diameter of your circle. Past video I showed you how to extend a reamer hole with the saw. The link for this video you find here. After the saw you have a hole about 1 centimeter. With the small blade you can even increase this hole because the small blade fits in now. Like this. With this technique you can make such an emergency whistle or such a container, or if you plan to get engaged you can save money with such a ring. Sometimes if you are outdoors you have to measure something, and if you don't have a folding rule or something similar, it's useful when you know some measures on your pocket knife. I know 3 measures on this pocket knife. The first is, this is a pocket knife out of the 91mm series. That means from here to here it's about 9 centimeters. The second measure I know is the small blade. From the handle to the tip it's 4 centimeters. And if you open the big blade, it's from tip to tip, it's 20 centimeters. So if this is 20 centimeters and you want to measure this table, take the knife, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now you know this table is about 1 meter. If you want to split in half something, for example a feather, for making narrow, or a stinging nettle for harvest the fevers. I like to press the small blade into the wood like this. Now I have a very good control to split it. Or a stinging nettle stalk. So with this technique you have a good control to always split in the middle. The fevers from the stinging nettle you can use to make cord, or you can even make a wig. If you want to know more how to make such a wig, please check my oil lamp video. And if you are interested to learn more tricks with your Swiss Army knife, please check my playlist. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Ciao!